having fun? Are you having fun? Are you coloring? Are you coloring, Jake? He's Jacob coloring. Jacob is about 20 months old right now. Jacob. Jacob, where's Jacob's nose? That's right. Where's Jacob's hair? There's Jacob's hair. Where's Jacob's ears? Where's Jacob's ears? Jake, where's your ears? Where's your eyes? Jake, where's Jacob's eyes? Hey, where's Jacob's eyes? Where's Jacob's mouth? Where's Jacob's mouth? Oh, you don't want to do it? Will you show me your mouth? There's your mouth. Where's your eyes? Your eyes. Where's your ears? That's right. Where's Jacob's belly? Your belly? Where's Jacob's feet? Where's your feet? There's Jacob's feet. Where's Jacob's toes? Where's Jacob's toes? Right here. Where's Jacob's toes? Where's Jacob's toes? Toe? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Jacob, bye-bye. Love you. Give camera a kiss. Give it a kissy. Give it a kissy. Give the camera a kissy. Mwah. Say bye-bye.